High-stakes projects with tight deadlines can feel like chaos to manage. It's difficult to manage and keep track of countless moving parts when project environments are rife with risk, complexity, and distracted collaborators. When site delays disrupt your project timeline, critical equipment often needs to be safely secured for days or weeks between the manufacturing floor and construction site. This is when warehousing and secure storage comes into play, so you can protect your mission-critical machinery and optimize on-site delivery to your schedule. When you're ready to move equipment on-site, you'll need heavy haul transport to move it directly from the warehouse or manufacturer. Equipment needs to be safely rigged, lifted, and placed into key project locations, using a variety of cranes, lifts, and other equipment. You'll need expert qualified operators and rigging crews to take full ownership of your detailed heavy lifting challenges on tight schedules. Once your machinery has run its life cycle, remove and replace it with exacting precision from experienced rigging crews with engineered solutions and specialized equipment. Across North America, modern projects call for modern solutions. From project management and logistics to storage and buffering to transport and on-site lifting and rigging. What if one partner could manage it all for you? ProLift Rigging provides innovative solutions and minimizes risk for every project. To learn more, visit ProLiftRigging.com.